What? Really? Hey guys, you're not gonna believe this.
What is that?
He says that he has to stay. He says somebody's got to stay and look after this place. And he's 75 years old and he just learned how to fly.
He won't be able to get out.
He knows. I feel like I just got you back. Now I'm losing you for good.
You're not losing me, buddy. I'll always be with you.